I'm Claire and today I'm going to do my very first unboxing type video. So this is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to show you this book, which is Station 11 by Emily St. John Mandel. I heard a lot of good things about this book and it was recommended by none other than George R.R. Martin. So I thought I'd pick it up and give it a go. I bought this book from the Big Green Bookshop, which is an amazing independent bookstore in North London. And when I bought this book, they gave me a free book, a free surprise book. All I know about this book is that it was published and then donated by Galley Beggar Press, who are an independent publisher and they want to support independent bookstores by giving them these mystery books to give away to their customers with each purchase. So I don't know if they're still doing that or if all the books that they had allocated for it have sold out already. But I thought I'd open this in front of the camera and share with the internet what secret book I got. This is wrapped with a piece of twine and I don't have scissors, so I'm going to wiggle it. There we go. And I'm just going to tear at it because I'm very curious. I've had this book in my house for more than a week now because I was waiting to film this video. So I'm very curious to see what happens and I'm just throwing that paper everywhere. Okay, we've got a very, very black book. This is Randall by Jonathan Gibbs and it says, "People were sobbing and cowering. A man's voice, plummy and shrill, was repeating, 'It's just paint, it's just paint,' over and over." That seems cool. Look at that. I think that's a really pretty book, actually. This here is a sticker that says "a cool book" with a big heart. So I think if you were to peel it off, it might be completely black cover with this pop of color in the bottom. I think that's really lovely. And that's a really intriguing quote on the front. And it's got bright yellow end papers, which is really nice. Randall or the Painted Grape. That is very, very intriguing. This is from the imprint Galley Beggar Britain, and on the back it says that imprint is a collection of quality, new, contemporary and classic fiction from the British Isles. It's probably not the kind of thing that I normally read, but it can't hurt to try new things, and this is actually really, really pretty. So I figured that if I start reading it and I don't like it, I can always give it away to someone that it might be more suited for. So thank you so much to Galley Beggar Press for giving those away, and thank you so much to the Big Green Bookshop also for being an amazing independent bookstore and for having been a wonderful local bookstore for me for the many years that I lived really nearby to it. So if you're interested in either of those two, you can find links to them in the description box below. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever been given or even bought outright a mystery book and what it turned out to be, if you liked it. If you'd like to see more from me, check out my latest book haul or the coffee book tag, which you can both find in the sidebar next to me. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button for more videos from me every week. I've been Claire, thanks so much for watching, and see you soon.